Country living on the outskirts of Carthage. 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured on permanent foundation certification in hand. Master suite has garden tub and stand-up shower in master bath, as well as a walk-in closet. Eat-in kitchen, laundry room, wood-burning fireplace in living room. Back deck nice for entertaining, and the detached building and makeshift cabin convey. HVAC new in 2021, whole house water filtration system. Items that do not convey: antenna outside front door, contents around shed. Seller will be taking those with him. Craven Lane is maintained by lot owners. Plat Map mentions the road maintenance that is in place. Seller also has termite bond in place with Canadys, good until 2025 and transferrable at no cost. Buyer may choose to continue the bond by paying the $180/renewal.